Hello, thank you for watching my video. I welcome you once again to Monday Morning YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can earn stuff like this, over $200 regularly from a company. I'm going to show you how to receive free paper money. All right, so what we're going to do today, we're going to work and deal with particular company, and the company we're going to partner with today is known as Uplift. So we are going to work with this company, and I want you to follow this particular link. I will show you. It is written below. If you check below, you will see it. Just click on the link and it will take you direct to the company where you will register and partner with this company. Okay, so the moment you set up your account, if you don't have account before, you just go, then you search and go straight to the company. So the moment you type on your browser or you follow the link as I provided here, when you click it here, then it will take you to the what? It will take you to the page direct. So the moment you click on this, it will open straight. All right. So once it opens, this is a company that will pay you regularly through paper. Okay. So what you do is, he said, get more Instagram followers with dedicated account manager. Okay, they manage accounts for people, and you see. So as it is, what we are going to do, we're going to partner with this company. Okay, so right here, all you need to do is you click on what? Try us for free. Okay, when you click on try us for free, from here you set up your account. You set up your account, you fill the details, and you click join. So the moment you click join, you have already partnered with the company. It's something instant approval. They always receive they approve your account immediately. So what you need to do again is to come here and you click on assets. So the moment you log into your account, you click on assets. Once you click on assets, it will now provide it will show you your referral link. Okay, so what you do again is you click on this, you copy your referral link. The moment you have copied your referral link, either you shorten it or you leave it as it is. In most cases, I don't advise people to shorten referral link, because all these shorteners, they always disappoint network and other problems. Okay, so because of that, if you use your direct link like this, it will go straight. So this is the first step of what we are going to do. Now the second step of what we are going to do is we are going to open a new tab. On this new tab, then you will search on Google. Quickly search on Google for the term CS. Just type CXE Google. When you type search CSE Google, it will take you to the home page. So right there, so what you do is you open a new tab, you search CXE Google. It simply means custom search engine. We are going to set up a custom search engine. As you can see from this first link, you click on it. Now the moment you click on this custom search engine, then it will now take you to this place. Can you see it? So because I already have one account set up, so you can click on what? Add search engine. You click on add search engine. So from here, maybe you choose what you are going to work with. Here we are going to deal with Instagram, because the company we partner with is dealing with what? Instagram. So you choose the website. We use let's say www. So you put Instagram. The moment you put Instagram, the language is English, then you choose already the name of the search engine is Instagram. So you create your account. So once you create, you can see it. It is set up. Congratulations, you have successfully created your custom search engine. Now add it to your site. If you want to add it to your site, click on this place. It will generate the code for you, which you add to your site. View it on the web. We're going to view it on the web. You click on view on the web. So the moment you click on view on the web, as you can see, it has opened. So right here, we're going to search for companies. We search for companies. Let's say companies with their Gmail or with their emails. Or maybe let's use business owners. Business owner, then you add Gmail to it, then you close the bracket, you close it again, then it will search. So the moment we put this, it will search the business owners, names of the business owners and their Gmail account. Anyone that is available on Instagram, it will search for it. So you can see different businesses with their names. And okay, let's look at this very one here. It's having about 10,000. Okay, now this is the email address. Now we open as much as possible, as many as we can, okay, because we are going to contact them one after the other. Now we look at this person. Now look at this person is having 384,000 followers. We don't need this. We need people who have very low number of followers. Okay, this one has 619 followers. Okay, this is a good example. Then open another one again, 2,000 followers. No, we don't want. We have found one. Okay, so we'll go back again, then we'll check other ones to see where it is. Then we'll see other one like this again. We check this, we check this. You open as much as you can so that you get what you want. Now here we have 5,000 followers. That is still much. 2,000 followers, we don't need that. This is 52,000 followers, we don't need that. 3,000. So you can see. Then you go back again, you open more. Okay, see, you have, let's assume we are going to target like 100 today. So here, how many followers I have? Email here, the followers, 28 followers. Can you see? So that's another person. Then we have another one here. We check here again. How many followers? 399. It's still low. Can you see it now? So now we work on these three. So what we are going to do is you open your email account. Open your Gmail or your email which you are going to use to message them. So the moment you have opened your email, then right here you click on compose. Then the moment you click on compose, we are going to email them one after the other. Then you click on compose. After it's load, then you type the message you are going to send to now. Who are you sending this message to? First, we pick the first person having 28 followers. The email address is this. We copy the email, then we paste. What is going to be the subject? Business inquiry. Okay, so I have my own formal text, what I wrote out that I'm going to send to them. Okay, so like this, I just copy out my own business inquiry. I am coming from your Instagram account. Now, what am I going to put in the body? So in the body part, I will now put hey. So the name of the particular person I'm emailing, the Instagram name is going to be in this place. So who am I emailing? Virtual something like that. Where did I pick it? From here. Okay, the name is Yellow House Service. So I pick this. I copy it, then I replace this. So the moment I put it like this, so I'll now say hey. Okay, you can see it. So immediately, then right here where I'm going to see, check out these two. These two, you can hyperlink it. Hyperlink it with your affiliate link. The link from the company we partnered with. So we attach it. Then these two here. We link it again and we